So guys, for the first method, you want to find the folder that you're having a problem with, you want to right click on it, and then click on properties. And now you want to click on the security tab. And then once this comes up, you want to click on system, and now you want to click on advanced. Now once we're here, you now want to click on change. And now this will come up. And then once you're on this, you want to enter your username. If you do not know it, then you want to head over to search and type in File Explorer, click on it. And then once you're on this, on the left hand side, you want to scroll down and then click on this PC. Now you want to find a drive where you have Windows installed on. It's going to have the Windows logo on it. Double click on it and then click on users. It's now going to be showing your username right here. Mine one is speedy tutorials. So I'm going to go back. I'm going to type in my username right here. Then you're going to click on check names and then click on OK. If that's still not working for the second method, you're going to head over to search and type in CMD. Then you want to run it as administrator and then click on yes. And then once you're on this, you're going to type in CHKDSK space C:/ space /F space /R. Click on enter. Wait for this to load. And then once this loads up, you're going to type in Y and then click on enter again. And now you just want to restart your computer, but keep on watching the video. Restart your computer, keep on watching. And now as the computer is turning on again, it's going to be saying to skip this checking, press any key. Do not press any key. You do not want to press any key. Let all the seconds load in. It's now going to start running this checking. Once you complete the scan, it will take you back to Windows and then the problem should be fixed.